So I'm just on my way home now. I'm gonna go a bit of a longer way around this so I can avoid the fair traffic. Should have went for a pee before I left because I am dying for the toilet. You're not looking at me? Oh. Nice place. Yeah, it was nice to see my family, played some cards, learned how to play blackjack, and another game, but I can't remember what the other game was called. What a lovely evening. Look how beautiful that looks. I don't know what it is. Breakfast? Maybe? A motorcycle stop. You love it, being in the middle of the road, what? Watch out for all this bloody grit on the road and all these potholes. Yeah, just look at that sunset, like, come on, that is beautiful. Look at that. Do we go the fair way? Or do we go around the other way? The other way is going to be a lot longer. I think we go around the other way. No, we're not. We're going the fair way. Are we? No, we're going to go the other way. That's a beautiful bike. Summer's over. With the sky looking like this. It's 5, what time is it? It's 5:30. The sun is setting. I cannot see a thing. Therefore, it's Halloween. all that paint still here? How is that all still here? Oh, there's mud on the road. Yeah, no. Going slow. I was going to try and lean, but you know. Yeah, no. Let's slow it down a little bit. Why are all these cars parked here? What's going on? Oh, man. Is that the police, or is that just the guy in the just the guy in reflective clothes and everything? I cannot see a thing, but it looks beautiful. No, I actually cannot see a thing. Okay, I've seen my turning just. Oh, the sun is bright, man. Okay, keep the rest on. Keep the rest on, keep the rest on, oh yeah. Keep the rest on when there's police about, because we don't want to get stopped. Is that 5 police cars I've seen today? Are we even still recording? Yeah. Yeah, we're recording. I wouldn't mind going on a plane. It's been a little while. I mean, I don't want to actually go on the plane because I don't like planes, but you kind of have to go on a plane if you want to go somewhere nice, don't you? Oh, look at the little doggy. Would you just look at that view? Oh my. That is gorgeous. It's definitely a much longer way, but I'd rather be a continuous movement than have to deal with going through traffic. My legs are getting a bit cold now. Well, I think it's going to be the end of the video here, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my little journey and looking at the beautiful sunset, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.